it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to show you how I paint this Paint by Line Easter plaque. I will be using all Dixie Belle chalk paint colors, and I always want to let you guys know that you can purchase the paint, brushes, and the cutout that I'm using at buildacross.com. I'm going in first with one of my favorite colors, and that is Limeade. And then where my lettering is, I just went in and dried that lightly with my heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can just wait for this to dry. And now I'm going in with a number 4 round in the color Lucky Lavender. A tip for these lettering on some of these plaques, some more detailed stuff, is just to make sure that your paint has not thickened. Just your generic Dixie Belle paint will not be too thick, but if you've had it for a while and it's thickened up, just add some water to it to make it a little bit more runny, and that will help your letters just kind of glide and give it for a smoother look. I am using that same number 4 round for this word here, and using the color Dixie Belle Blue, which is just their true baby blue color they have. And I'm going to go in and use that same 2 colors, the Dixie Belle Blue and the Lucky Lavender, on my Easter eggs here, kind of just tying in all the colors together. And again, this is a Paint by Line product, so what that means is that everything you see here is etched into the cutout, so I'm not having to do any of the detailing stuff really free-handed. I'm basically just painting inside the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. And I used the color Putty for my Easter Bunny's ears. I get asked quite often which my favorite Dixie Belle colors are, and Putty is definitely in my top 3. I use it all day long on almost every single product I use. I used soft pink for the inside of the ears, and then I used amethyst and peacock for these 2 flowers. And then again, I'm going to just kind of tie everything in together. So I'll be using these 4 colors, the 2 blues and the 2 purples, throughout this product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline my 2 Easter eggs using their darker version, so I'll use amethyst on Lucky Lavender, and I'm doing the same thing with the flowers. So I'm using Lucky Lavender on top of my amethyst flower here. And to do all this detail work, I'm using a number 4 round. That's pretty much my go-to whenever I'm doing detail work. It's just a really smooth brush, and it's small enough to get on these more details. And again, that's part of the brush pack that we sell on the website. That brush pack is a pack of 10, and it has everything you need to complete a project. I was very impressed and glad we found this pack, because again, it has everything for you. And then again, I'm just going over here on my blue flower, and I'm outlining it in the Dixie Belle Blue color. And I'll also use the Dixie Belle Blue to go in and fill in the center of my flower. I've been kind of doing this more often, whereas I outline my designs with like a darker or lighter version of the color I use versus black. It's a softer look, and it's just kind of fun because it's adding another color. And then I used evergreen to just outline my leaves, and then that's it, you guys. This is very easy. Highly recommend a paint gun if you guys are going in and doing these more detailed lettering plaques. It really helps cut down on time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.